The 1993 Saleen Mustang Convertible Roadster Package, number 67, acquired from the original family. They had owned it since new, and excellent original car, 5-liter, 5-speed, of course. Here we have it shown with the standard boot, and there's an optional boot with that covers the back seat. Original Recaro seats. That is the original stuff. Amazingly well preserved, really. This is just, you know, preservation quality car in excellent condition. Original stern wheels. That was a high-end wheel at the time. Saleen. Got that nice wing. And sometimes with originality comes some applause. But just a spectacular piece. Another fun feature there is the cell phone brick holder. No cell phone included. This car has Racecraft suspension. They really made this car handle. It is like a slot car in the corners. It's astonishing how well this car makes a corner. Very nice. The hood paint's checking a little bit. You can probably see it a little bit there. And yeah. Overall, an amazingly well-preserved car. Okay, we're going to feature on the Spyder option, which is a $900 and change option, new, which essentially blanked off the rear seat. So that's like a big giant tonneau boot, and then it's got this little roll cage, or not, it's really not a roll cage, but it's just a bar, and it's got the taillight in it. That does actually work, and so it's an interesting feature. I mean, it's you know, turn your Mustang into a 2-seater. Okay, there's the top going up. And we'll put it down too, just to show you it works. Vigorous. I like it. Okay, we're going to turn on the headlights. All right, good. We can see both of them there. Brights, low, brights, low. Okay, how about, okay, wipers, low speed, high speed, and intermittent. There it is, okay. Turn signals, you can see it. Right and left. Horn. We've got, let's just turn on the lights there. We've got fan work. gauges, fuel gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, registers nicely. That's the chart, the amp meter, that works. And the car is real cold, but the temperature gauge does work. Tachometer works, and we'll see the speedometer when we drive it. Here's the engine bay, 5-liter HO Mustang. It's real original looking in there, and there it all is. Runs great, a lot of power. This is really fun to drive. We can see the Saleen fender brace there. And it's all good. Okay, we're gonna run the windows. There is passenger side. It's looking good. Rear window. Oh, there it is. And rear window and back. Both of the rear window mechanisms have been replaced recently. And the driver window. Yay, driver window. Nice. Okay. And that's it. Okay, one more walk around of the Saleen Mustang 1993. 5-liter, 5-speed. Tremendous suspension upgrades. 4-wheel brakes, disc brakes, I should say. Original paint and original wheels, and this is just a spectacular preservation car. I really cannot say enough about it. Fun to drive, really fun to drive. I will be sorry to see this go.